Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 9th. Act 2, Scene 5. I am going to start. Act 2, Scene 4 is completed. Scene 5 is going to start. So, open your book and put your fingers on the sentences delivered by Shylock. Act 2, Scene 5. The scene is taking place in Venice. Before Shylock's house, enter Shylock and Lancelot. Shylock says, "Well, thou shalt see, thy eyes shall be thy judge." The difference of old Shylock and Bassanio. "What, Jessica? Thou shalt not gormandize as thou hast done with me." Shylock says, "Well, Lancelot, now you will see with your eyes that what is the difference between me and Bassanio. Your eyes will judge the difference between me and Bassanio. Are you there, Jessica?" He asked. "Are you there, Jessica?" "Thou shalt not gormandize. Do not overeat as you have done with me." Do not overeat. Do not overeat as you have done with me. "What, Jessica? And sleep and snore and rend apparel out." "Why, Jessica, I say." He says, "Hello, Jessica. Do not sleep and snore and wear out your clothes." Do not sleep, snore. Do not sleep and snore and wear out your clothes. "Jessica, do you hear me?" Lancelot says, "Why, Jessica?" Lancelot is calling Jessica, says calling, "Hello, Jessica." Shylock says, "Who bids thee call?" "I do not bid thee call." Shylock says, "Who asked you to call?" "I did not ask you to do so." Lancelot says, "Your worship was wont to tell me that I could do nothing without bidding." Lancelot says, "Your honor," Lancelot speech here, "Your honor used to complain that I never did anything without your orders. I do not do anything without your permission, without your orders." Enter Jessica in the scene. Jessica says, "Call you. What is your will?" She asked her father, "Did you call me? What do you want?" Shylock says, "I am bid for to supper, Jessica. I am invited to dinner, Jessica. Here, take my keys." He says, "Here, there are my keys. But wherefore should I go? I am not bid for love." He says he is unwilling to go there. So he is in dilemma whether he should go to attend the dinner party or not. So he says to Jessica, "Here, take my keys, but why should I go? Why should I go? I am not bid for love. I have not been invited because they love me." You know that Bassanio, Lorenzo and Greciano all have invited Shylock at dinner party. So he says, "I have not bid for love. They flatter me, but yet I will go in hate to feed upon the prodigal Christian." He says, "However, though they have not called me for love, it is done to flatter me. It is done to flatter me. However, I will go there out of hatred. I will go there out of hatred to eat the food of the wasteful Christian." Prodigal. Prodigal means here wasteful Christian. "Jessica, my girl, look to my house. I am right loath to go." He says, "Jessica, my girl, look after the house. I am reluctant, I am unwilling to go. There is some evil. He says, I am right loath to go. There is some ill breathing towards my rest, for I did dream of money bags tonight. He says, I am reluctant, I am unwilling to go. There is some evil being plotted to destroy the peace of my mind. They are plotting something against me to destroy my peace, because I dreamed of money last night. I dreamed of money bags last night, and that is not the sign of good thing. Lancelot says, I beseech you, sir, go. My young master doth expect you your reproach. Lancelot says, I request you, sir, I request you to come, sir. My young master, means Bassanio, expect you to be there. He wants that you should be there. Shylock says, so do I his. Yes, and I also expect him waiting for me. If he is waiting for me, no problem, he should wait for me. Lancelot says, and they have conspired together. I will not say you shall see a mask, but if you do, then it was not for nothing that my nose fell a bleeding on Black Monday last at 6 o'clock in the morning, falling out that year on Ash Wednesday was 4 years in the afternoon. Lancelot says, they have planned something together. Lancelot says, they have planned something all together. I do not say that you will see a mask, a royal dance which is performed in a royal court. Will see a mask, but if you see a mask, then it was not without a reason. When my nose bled last Easter Monday at 6 o'clock in the morning, in that year, just 4 years ago, Easter fell on Ash Wednesday in the afternoon. Shylock says, what are their masks? Hear you, Jessica. Lock up my doors, and when you hear the drum and the wild squealing of the wry-necked live fife, clamber not you up to the casement then, nor thrust your head into the public street to gaze on Christian fools with varnished faces. He says, what are these masks? What are their masks? Do you hear me, Jessica? Lock up your doors, and when you hear sounds of the drum and the shrill notes of the twisted pipe, means flute, do not climb up to see from the window, nor stretch your neck out to gaze over the public street of Christian fools with painted masks. Don't see, but stop my house ears. I mean my casements. Let not the sound of shallow foppery enter my sober house. By Jacob's staff, I swear I have no mind of feasting forth tonight, but I will go. Go you before me, Sirrah. Say, I will come. He says, he suggests to Jessica that do not stretch your neck out to gaze over the public street of Christian fools with painted masks. On the other hand, close up all the openings of the house. I mean the windows. Do not let the sound of vulgar shows enter into my sober house. By the staff of the prophet Jacob, I swear I have no wish to go out to feast or to have dinner tonight. However, I have decided to go. You go in front of me, Lancelot. In front of me you go, and tell your master that I will come. I will attend the dinner party. Lancelot says, I will go before sir. Mistress, look out at window for all this. Lancelot says, I will be there ahead of you, sir. Whispers aside too, there will come a Christian by will be birth a Jew's eyes. Whispers aside to Jessica. He says something in the ear of Jessica. In spite of what he has said, look out of the window. Though he forbade you to do so, but you look out of the window. A Christian will pass by. Christian means here Lorenzo will pass by. He is worth looking at by a Jewess. Jewess means here Jessica. Now he goes out. Jessica says, his words were farewell, mistress, nothing else. Sherlock asks, what says that fool of Haggard's offspring? Ha! What did the foolish descendant of Haggard tell you? What that foolish man tell you? Jessica pretended that he only said farewell, mistress, and nothing else. Shylock says, the patch is kind enough, but a huge feeder snail slow in profit, and it sleeps by day more than the wild cat. Drones hive not with me, therefore I part with him, and part with him to one that I would have him help to waste his borrowed purse. Well, Jessica, go in, perhaps I will return immediately. Do as I bid you. Shut doors after you. Fast bind, fast find. Proverb never stale in thrifty mind. He says the fool is kind enough. The fool is kind enough, but he is a voracious. He is a glutton. He eats too much. He is a voracious eater of food. He is a slow. He says about Lancelot. He is as slow as a snail in my enterprise, in my work. He sleeps by day more than a wild cat. Lazy people cannot live with me, and so I part with him. He goes as per my wish to a man whom he will help to squander the money the latter has borrowed. Well, Jessica, go in. Perhaps I will come back soon. Do as I told you, and shut the doors. Anything that is locked is always safe, is a proverb. Anything that is locked is always safe, is a proverb that is never outdated, never old for a careful man. So you lock the door and be safe. Shylock goes out. Jessica says, farewell, and if my fortune be not crossed, I have a father, you a daughter lost. Jessica says, farewell. Unless I have bad luck now, I have lost my father and you, your daughter. Means she has planned to elope with Lorenzo, her lover. She has planned. When Shylock would not be at home, she would elope with her lover Lorenzo. So therefore she says, unless I have bad luck now, if my luck will be in my favor, I have lost my father, I will lost my father and you, your daughter. Now in the next video we will see scene 6, act 2, scene 6. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.